Welcome back, YouTube, to Trusty Miata Road to Boost. Today, got a couple things I'm going to like to get done. That's the goal anyway. Get some more stuff primed up here. Get this side a little primed. Do some test sprays on the inside of the fender here. It's really cold out and snowy. It's pretty crappy. We got the heat roaring. And if I get a decent amount of things done, I'm going to help James with the Purple Parts car carpet replacement. Say that 5 times fast. And we're going to have a great weekend, guys. So I hope you enjoy, and we'll see what happens. First things first, we got to mask some of this off because we don't want to get paint on it. Now that I got everything masked up, gonna do some test sprays on the fenders and then prime up the engine bay, check over some spots maybe I missed, and yeah. While I'm waiting for some of the primer to dry, I'm going to sand some of the other primer and get it nice and flat to apply another coat. Lots of prepping before painting. It's important to prep before you paint. Most important. I think while James is grinding away over there, I'm going to keep plugging away, painting and priming, painting and priming. I'm going to start putting the first dusting on the engine bay, or not the engine bay, the engine bay. Duh! And the wheel well. That's what I meant. James is gonna treat his car with the old pour. You know what I'm talking about. Guys, I think that's all we're gonna do today. Got a lot painted. James got some stuff done on his car. It's a little slower going than both of us were hoping, but what can you do, really? Join us next time when I'm gonna continue painting for just a little longer. I promise it's just a few more episodes of some painting and priming, painting and priming, painting and priming, painting and priming.